Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing my family's favorite overnight oats recipe in 5 different ways. For the overnight oats recipe, you can make it in a bowl or in a jar. I'm going to use this 1 liter jar with different colored lids. Don't skip your breakfast if you are busy, make it in advance for the whole week. First, we will prepare the foundation of the overnight oats. I'll show you the toppings later in the video. In the first jar, add half cup of organic rolled oats along with the 1 tablespoon chia seed, 2 dates, de-seeded and chopped, 3 red dates. These dates are dry and have seeds inside it. If you wish, you can cut them carefully and remove the seeds, and you can add it to the jar. I'm going to use it with the seeds, and I will remove the seeds when we will eat it. 3/4 of a cup oat milk, few drops of vanilla extract. Give it a stir and mix it all together. Cover the jar with lid and leave it in the fridge while we prepare the second one. In my second jar, I'll use half cup mixed organic rolled oats and rye flakes along with 3 red dates, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 4 prunes, 3/4 of a cup kefir. Give it a stir and mix it all together and cover the jar and leave it in the fridge, and we will prepare the third one. In my third jar, I'll use half cup mixed organic rolled oats and barley flakes along with 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 3 chopped sun-dried apricots, 3/4 of a cup semi-skim milk, and few drops of vanilla extract. Give it a stir and mix it all together. Cover the jar with lid and leave it in the fridge. Then we will prepare the fourth one. In my fourth jar, I'll use mixed rolled oats, barley flakes and rye flakes half cup. This is just an example. You can customize your foundation with either one of them. Along with 1 tablespoon raisins, 3 prunes. Check the raisins, you might need to clean them if they are not clean. 1 tablespoon chia seed, 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder, 3/4 of a cup almond milk and few drops of vanilla extract. Give it a stir and mix it all together. Cover the jar with lid and leave it in the fridge. In my fifth jar, I'll use just rolled oats half cup, 3/4 of a cup full fat milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 3 apricots chopped, 3 prunes, 1/8 teaspoon rose water. Give it a stir and mix it all together. Cover the jar with lid and leave it in the fridge. I made one in this bowl to show you. You can make it in a bowl or you can make it in a glass, and then you can put on your favorite topping and cover it with the cling film and leave it in the fridge. Now we will top up our first jar with 1 tablespoon honey, half cup Greek yogurt. Give it a stir along with chopped kiwi, chopped mango, raspberries, and sprinkle it with some pistachios. Cover the jar with a lid and leave it in the fridge for overnight. For the toppings in the second jar, I use half cup strawberry yogurt. If you wish, you can use kefir, as earlier I used kefir in this jar. 1 tablespoon agua syrup. Give it a stir. Add some chopped pear, some chopped apple, 1/4 teaspoon British mixed spice. You can see the recipe of British mixed spice in my channel. I will leave a link below in the description box. Few blueberries. On the top, sprinkle some chopped walnuts. Cover the jar with a lid and leave it in the fridge for overnight and enjoy it in the morning. For the third jar, I use 1 tablespoon honey. If you wish, you can use maple syrup or any other sweetener of your choice. Half a cup of coconut yogurt. Give it a stir. If you wish, you can add a scoop of protein powder or collagen powder. Add some grapes, some chopped strawberries, blackberries, sprinkle some chopped almonds and dark chocolate chip as a toppings. Close the jar with lid and leave it in the fridge and enjoy it in the morning. This time I use half cup coconut yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey or any other sweetener of your choice. Give it a stir, add 2 tablespoons smooth almond butter. If you wish, you can add crunchy almond butter. Give it a stir, add chopped strawberries, blueberries, chopped mango. You can customize your topping with your favorite fruits and nuts. Add 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, sprinkle some chopped pecans on the top, close the jar with a lid and leave it in the fridge for overnight and enjoy it in the morning. Finally, I use half cup strawberry yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Give it a stir, add some blackberries, sliced banana, raspberries, sprinkle with some mixed almond, pistachios and pecans. As the toppings for the fifth and the final, cover the jar with the lid and leave it in the fridge for overnight. If you don't like to eat cold in the morning, you can warm it in the microwave, or you can pour hot water in a bowl and place a jar in the hot water and wait. Or you can take it out from the fridge 30 minutes before you eat to bring it to room temperature. I did the same toppings in this bowl. Breakfast is a very important meal of the day, so try out my overnight oats for a delicious and healthy breakfast. Put your thoughts of my recipe in the comments box and click on the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you soon again in next video. Bye for now. Bye.